5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Whether the action of the management of Canara Bank in considering the workman Sri Rampal Sharma sub-staff as voluntarily retired from services of the bank with effect from 3rd December 1988 on account of his alleged absence from duty is legal and justified ? If not to what relief is the workman entitled to ? The respondent number 3 workman was employed as a class 4 employee with the erstwhile Lakshmi Commercial Bank, which had merged with the petitioner Canara Bank. The respondent number 3 workman was at the relevant time posted at Bulandshahr. He applied for medical leave which was sanctioned for a period of 4 months. It is the case of the petitioner bank that the respondent number 3 workman remained absent unauthorizedly from 14th November 1985 to 14th March 1988 in spite of letters dated 20th August 1986, 8th October 1986 and 30th January 1987 asking him to report for duty. It appears that but the respondent number 3 workman joined duty of the petitioner bank after 14th March 1988 but again absented without information. Leave application with effect from 25th May 1988. A letter dated 5th August 1988 is stated to have been issued to the respondent number 3 workman to join duties and which remained unreplied. The petitioner bank on 20th September 1988 issued a notice to the respondent number 3 workman in accordance with clause 16 of the 4th bipartite settlement agreement between the petitioner bank and its employees, calling upon the respondent number 3 workman to join duty within 30 days and further informing him that upon his failure to so join the duty he will be deemed to have voluntarily retired from the services of the petitioner bank on the expiry of 30 days therefrom. The said notice was served on the respondent number 3 workman on 3rd October 1988. Stanza. The respondent number 3 workman sent a letter dated 2nd November 1988 to the petitioner bank requesting another 30 days time to join duty. It was stated in the said letter that the children of the respondent number 3 workman had been severely ill for the last 6 months. 2 of the children were stated to be suffering from polio and in whose care the respondent number 3 workman claimed to be busy. He also stated that he was neither employed elsewhere nor carrying or any business. The respondent number 3 workman also stated that he could take complete medical care of his children in Delhi and requested for transfer to Delhi and promised that if transferred to Delhi he will perform his duty diligently. Stop. However, the respondent number 3 workman did not join duty within the said 30 days of 2nd November 1988 also, and the petitioner bank on 7th December 1988 issued a letter deeming the respondent number 3 to have voluntarily retired from service of the petitioner bank with effect from 3rd December 1988 in terms of clause 16 of the 4th bipartite settlement agreement as aforesaid. Stop. Stanza. However, the relief of the reinstatement is now not possible in view of the demise of the respondent number 3 workman. Stop. The respondent number 3 workman remained alive for approximately 2 years after the date of the award. Stop. The award, insofar as for the relief of 30% back wages, has already been complied with as aforesaid. Stop. I deem it appropriate to award lump sum compensation to the legal representatives of the respondent number 3 workman in the sum of rupees 1 lakh in lieu of reinstatement. Stop. The said amount is besides the liability under section 17B. Stop. In view of the conflicting statements regarding payment of the amount of the decree obtained by the petitioner bank against the respondent number 3 workman, the same shall have no bearing in so far as the payment of the compensation aforesaid is concerned. Stop.